Number 0. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 10. Good for 2. Ba't ka nag-aaway tayong apat? Magkakampi tayo eh. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Basa na lang ang maririnig. End of the first quarter. Pumasok na si Glomo po. Diego Dizon. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Traveling violation. Naubos na kanina pa. Number 24, pass to number 25, back to number 24. Wala mo na nakuha ni Diego Dizon. Outlet pass kay number 5, Jefferson. No good. Line violation. Laki ng shoes po daga. Inbound ni number 19, pass to number 13. Hunat. Out of bounds, backward ball. Number 24, pass to number 11, Chandler, pull up Jace, no good rebound in number 19, outlet pass kay number 5, Jefferson Espanola, good for 2. Number 24, pass to number 11, uulit, no good rebound in number 19, outlet pass para kay number 5, Jefferson, good for 2. Kumakamada si Jefferson, alias Saga. Meow. Number 24 fires for 3 pounds. 3 points. Deadlock 20. Number 24. Number 24, walang bola pero may tawag si ref. Blocking foul. Foul number 11. Wala akong pangka. Ito si parang na eh. Inbound ni number 24, pass to number 10. Pass to number na walang bola nakuha ni number 13 para may foul. Foul number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Grabe naman. Tola. Bernard. Number 11. Check na naman. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 24. Fires for 3. Bang! 3 points.
Change favor 23-20. Namang ube.
Jefferson, number 5. Lifting violation. ball game. Number 24, pass to number 11. John Lloyd, 15 to shoot. 10 seconds. Teardrop sa distance good rebound ni number 13, Hunat. Hunat, good for 2. Number 24, pass to number 25. Good for 2.
Dito. Ano? Bili ka. Bibigyan.
Number 13, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. Inbound ni number 13, pass to number 11. Pull up Jays, good for 2.
Bili ka. Isa lang ka mo. Isang piraso lang. Tapos, sindihan mo na ha. Kung di mo sindihan, wag ka na bumili. Sa'yo na yung sakot.
Number 24, no good rebound ni number 11, pass to number 5, Jefferson. Napalakas. Out of bounds, backward ball.
25-24. Lamang ang ube.
Number 24 setting the play. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 28 pero may foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul. First. Second team foul.
Ikaw si Ate Steven.
Hello.
Tinalo ko kita eh.
Masakit yun. Tinalo mo.
Tinalo.
Thank you, thank you. Note ka lang ng video. Pwede ka mag-send picture. Grad pic. Anong grade?
Nakuha ni number 5.
Oh, yung grade 6
Jefferson.
mo na graduation. Grad pic.
Jefferson, no good rebound ni number 25. Pass to number 24.
Taga saan ka?
Binigyan niyo po ako noon ng stick.
Number 24, pass to number 10. Pass to number 7, back to number 10. Number 10, no good rebound ni number 25. Umikot, nawala mo lang nakuha ni number 13.
Ano ba?
Number 13, no good.
Ano pa mo?
Cassandra.
Cassandra.
Yes.
Late.
Number 24, fires for 3. No good rebound ni number 21, Jeko.
Ay,
Jefferson.
Cassandra.
Mandatory substitution.
Ayun, katabi ko si Cassandra, subscriber. Thank you so much. Arel, mabuti. May pasok na ka na. Saan ba? Sa Bukay ka?
Kubat lang.
Punong Gubat. Nice. Huwag mo ilalang. Magaling ang Punong Gubat.
Pasok na po yung 5.
Grade 7 ka ngayon? Kapareho mo pala yung
Team Amari.
grade 7 namin.
Yung video na yan, kuya, nandun din yan sa may ano?
Sa page, nandun din sa YouTube. Oh. Bale, ipopost ko ito namin.
Number 3, pass to number 2. Back to
Ay, ano
number
kayo? May
3.
team?
Pass to number
May team
0.
ka rin?
Good for 2.
Meron kang team na sino?
Jobert
Opo, kulay blue po.
Balmes.
Nice.
Kuya ko eh.
Jefferson, nandyan. Kuya mo si Jefferson? Idol ko yun. Number 5?
Kuya
Idol
Jobert.
ko yun, sobra. Idol ko si Jefferson.
Number 14.
Para sa kalaman
Number
na lahat.
14. No good rebound ni number 0.
Sobra.
Balmes.
Kaya ako nag-vlog eh. May laro si
Pero may
Jefferson.
foul number 2. Second personal foul,
May date.
third
Meron
team
po ba
foul.
yung date pag pinost niya? Hanapin ko po mamaya.
Oh, mamaya lang mismo. Ito yung unang post ko mamaya. Mga 10. Thank you.
Number 3. Pass to number 0.
Thank you.
Pass to number 3. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound ni number
Ayun si Cassandra.
2. number 2. Pero may foul, foul number 8. 88. Second personal foul, second team foul. First shot for number 2. Second time. Grabe yung videographer mo, par! Nasa likod ng backboard! May tari ka mamaya. Number 0. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 3. Wow! No good. Rebound ni number 2. Wow! Number 2. Number 2, pero may out of foul. Number 0. Number 2, fires for 3, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation.
Skim ba yan? Ay.
Number 0 pass to number 2. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound number. Oy, grabe. Malapit sa grasya. Copy, oh.
Dapat
Number 2. Team. Good for 2 by number 2.
May pera ka ba naman? Dalawa to.
Number 2. Back to number 3. Pass to number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 88. No good. Rebound ni number 0. Pass to number 51. Good for 2. Jan, Owen. Dalawa pa daw, par.
28-30.
Ito, reserve, timeout, para sa bakod.
Lamang ang blue jersey. 2 points.
Sabi ko kay Kuya Jan. Number 3. Good for 2.
Deadlock at 30.
Apple. Pass to number 14. No good. The only number 18 pass to number 0. Jobert Balmes. Pass to number 2. Out of bounds. Same ball. Timeout. Bakod.
Deadlock at 30 ang score ng blue and purple. Thank you.
Back to the ball game. Grabe yung mga winning team mo. Number 0, Jobert Balmes. Nakuha ni number 2. Natcheck ni number 3. Sinade. Actual play. Nakuha ni number 2. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Ang tawag ng traveling violation. Number 3. Long 2. Good for 2. Number 2. Good for 2.
Score,
Grabe
deadlock.
naman yun.
At 32. Deadlock at 32 again.
Number 3. Pass to number 2. Back to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Jobert. Back to number 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Outlet pass para kay number 14. Good for 2.
SK Onyok, 2 points.
Alright. Number 3. Pass to number 2. Fires for 3. Bang! 3 points. Outlet pass para kay number 51. Pass to number 14. Susubok na 3. No good. Rebound ni number. Number 2 pass to number 2. Bang! 3 points. Ayan na, number 2. Number 2, good for 2. Wow! 15 seconds to play. Good for 2. 11 seconds to play. Wow! Number 14. End of the first half. Score 36-14 in favor of Bacolod. Ikaw, Jefferson. Ayaw tanggalan na to. Pakitanggal po yung mga bling-bling sa ating katawan. Pakitanggal po ang mga bling-bling sa ating katawan. Pakitanggal po ang mga bling-bling sa ating katawan. Number 24, back to number 2, fires for 3. No good, rebound ni number 10. No good, nakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 5, Jefferson. Pass to number 19. Pero by foul. Pumabong foul. Who's foul, Mr. Rep? Foul number 10. First Otis yun eh, Otis. J-Rowa. J-Rowa. Orda.
Asan si Jim?
Nakuha ni number 2. Pass to number 0. Joker. Pass to number. Nakuha ni number 19. Nawala bola. Pass to number 13. Bunat. Number 13. Pass to number 26. Back to number 13. Bunat. Spin. Fade away shot. It's good. 4-2. Copy please. Shoutout sa nag-isang Jero walang Chaong Corda Long Maya. Nakasalamin pa parang may sakit. Parang otits. Number 25. No good. 3-1 ni number 19. May utang na isa, may utang. Pagpasin dyan. Number 19, ay bye. Pass to number 13, take. Binigay kay number 19. Labador yan, dala may foul number 0.
Lagi nagbibideo ng ka.
Madalas, oh.
First prize book. Shoutout nga pala sa aking isang J-Row walang Chaong
Pinapalag mo?
Corda X-Facto.
Ito baro.
Second try kay number 19. No good. Nakuha ni number 24.
Alis na kami.
Pass to number 10. Nakuha ni number 5. Jefferson. 3-on-1 play. Wow! Out of bounds. Backward ball.
Showtime.
Anong team? Di ka pa,
Dalawa.
Di pa kita nakita naglaro.
Ano na?
di pa kita nakita naglaro.
Number 0, Kuya Jobert.
Na-accident ako eh.
Pass to number. Back to number 0. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2.
Pero may foul. Foul number. Nadikat ko
Number
na sa counter
13,
ko.
Huna.
Thank you, Cassandra. Thank you, God.
Wala copy Prince. Prat. Oh, ice. Number 25 nakuha na eh. Number 5, Jefferson. Pass to number.
Oh.
Out of bounds. Bakod.
Deadlock at 42 na naman ang score natin.
Ba. To shoot. Number 24, pass to number 10, pass to number, nakuha ni number 5. Jefferson. Good for 2.
Change favor lamang ngayon ng
Grabe
blue.
na yun.
OSC.
Grabe na yun, yeah. Reserve substitution. Number 0, Kuya Jobert. Out of bounds. OSC ball, substitution. Labasan lalabas, pasok ang papasok. Substitution. Diego out. Moy in. Lobo ko out. Number 13, Huna! 2-4-2. Copy Prince ng Chaong. Copy Prince. Kuya Jobert. No good. Kwentong Jobert yan. No good. Rebound ni number 0 pass to number 9. Pass to number 13. Huna. The Copy Prince. Grabe ka, Jumeli. Pass to number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Jefferson. No good. Pero may tao sa ref. Offensive foul. Foul number 19. Pushing foul.
46-42, 4-point
Kuya
lead
Jobert.
by Blue
Nakuha niya
Team.
number 3. Pass to number 5. Put back good for 2 by number 13. Reserve substitution. Number 3. Pass to number 10. No good. Nakuha ni number 25. Outlet pass. Nakuha ni number 0. Reserve timeout. Number 0, Kuya Jobert. Naipit sa dalawa si Kuya Jobert. Pass to number 3. Good. 4-2.
48-44, 4-point lead by OSC.
Number 26. Timeout. Back on.
Ready for a getaway? Plan your trip effortlessly and attraction tickets all in one place.
Cute happy stickers. Collect the Choco happiness of Cream-O-Holics.
Ayun.
Taga saan ka ba, kuya?
Bliss. Tabi. May hospital.
Number 3. Pass to number 28. Tilder sa segundo. Nakuha ni number 26. Number 26, Kenneth Villafuerte. Pass to number 2, Kuya.
Kapamilya po.
Pass to number 1351. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14, Pay. No good. Rebound ni number 0. No good pa rin. Put back. Pero may foul. Foul number 88. Third personal foul. First team foul. Ay, third pala. Third. Sorry. First try is good. 4-1. Second try is... Wow! What a rebound! 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Traveling violation.
(49-44), 5-point lead by Blue Jersey. OSC.
Number 2. Pass to number. Nawala pa na nakuha ni number 88. Pass to number 2. No good. Rebound ni number 26. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 51. Nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Backward ball. Committee timeout. May dadaan ng cars. Substitution.
Text natin si Idol. Na-miss natin to, mamimiss pala natin. Pagaling ka lang.
Shoutout sa nag-iisang J. Rowan Chow. Corda Dalisay.
Pinalo ko yan eh.
Parang Otis. Fake. Team drop shot. No good. Rebound ni number 2. Out that pass para kay number 51. Stop and pop. Good for 2.
Pinili lang ako. Ang totoo.
Number 3.
51-44, 7-point lead by
Number
Luke.
3. Pass to number 11. John Lloyd.
Galing nila kuya.
10 seconds to shoot.
Na sila. Kaya
John Lloyd. Good for 2. Grabe ni John Lloyd. Conversion. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 51. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 2. Number 2. Ano tawag ni Rep? Bongo.
Maka-Diyos yun eh, si Villa Pero. Dati sa kanina.
Substitution, Mr. Rep. Mamaya na daw.
Villa Puerte.
Sub. Sige, pwede na.
Idol.
Pwede na, pwede na.
Yun na, na-videoan pa siya. Sikat na si Kuya. Ball is light. Ball is light. Ang bola ay buhay. Bola mo. Bahay. Nadali ko nga sana wala ako.
The scoring machine number 24 is back to bench. Bawal daw, bawal.
Number 3, Manalili, pass to number 2. Number 2, nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 0. Outlet pass para kay number 26. Kenneth Villapuerte, good for 2.
Hindi pa.
Number 3,
Hindi ako sanay tumili.
nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number. Sa kanya pa din, inaaras sa 3, pass to number 2, fires for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 0. Outlet pass para kay number 14. Number 14, good for 2.
Pais ka rin para may FT.
Siyempre, alam mo ha.
55-46.
Wala!
Number 3, pass to number 2. Pass to number 88. Pull up Jays. No good. Rebound ni number 51. Outlet pass para kay number 14. Good for 2.
Panis!
Number 3, pass to number 10. Pull up Jays. No good. Rebound ni number 0. Pass to number 51.
Kasali ba yan?
Number 51, pass to number 14. No good. Rebound ni number.
Line up yan?
Out of bounds. Save ball.
Sablaw.
Substitution. Pag-iingi po kayo ng timeout or sub, punta na lang po kayo dito sa stage.
Sumali kita, Bert. Kita, Bert.
Hirap niyang tignan. Number 0, pass to number 51, pass to number 14, pumwesto na! No good! Rebound ni number 24. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 26, pass to number 2. Kim, good for 2.
Score natin 60-46. 14-point lead by OSC.
55 seconds to play, 15 to shoot,
Kakasab ko lang eh.
10 seconds to shoot.
Wala!
Number 25, good for 2. Basic basketball.
Ba't mo may gabi? At kita eh. Ay, gabi ka na bukas.
Bukan, tapos na.
25 seconds to play. Number 26, pero may foul number. 10. Number 10, third personal foul.
Ay, kasi
Warning for penalty.
Ay. Wala, sandal daw siya. Para shoot.
Unan ba ako? Gusto na taba.
Second prize, good.
Nandun pa kasi si Kuya.
30 seconds to play.
Lagal ka ba yan?
Number 24, pass to number 25. No good. Rebound ni number 2. Pass to number 51. Apple. 20 seconds to play.
Galing sa mag-drawing.
Out of bounds. Bakod ball.
Mag-drawing ako. Kuya, ano ko yung picture?
14 seconds to play. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Number 3.
Na magkamali na pinapakita.
And of the third quarter. Score 48-61 in favor of boys.
Lamang ang Oasis sa third period, 61-48. 13-point lead by Blue Jersey.
Game na. Pasok na. Diba?
Number 5, pass to number 13. Pull up Jays. Good. 4-2. Number 0, pass to number 3. Back to number 0. Kuya Jobber. Nawala bola nakuha ni number 14. Pass to number 5. Jefferson. Good. 4-2. Panyola. Number 2, pass to number 3. Long 2, no good. Report back, no good pa rin. Nakuha pa rin ni number 0. Pass to number 10. No good. Nakuha ni number 28. Pero may foul number 21.
Ay, tabi sila. Parang ako.
Anong tubig pa? Lakas mo.
Kaya may
Muntik na pa! Uy, kaya ko. Muntik na! Uy, kung naulog yun, di ko masusuot yun. Hindi na nakalo ko sa'yo. Nagumad ang paskito. Outlet pass nakuha ni number. Mga bagong mundo na utasan.
bangon mo ah. Idol! Nababasa.
Lance po sa Facebook. Ew! Number 5, Jefferson. Traveling violation.
Mahina.
Score 65-48.
Kuya Jobber, pass to number 2. Fired for 3. No good.
17 points.
Pass to number 13. Hunat.
Lumobo yung lamang.
Pass para kay number 5. Good. 4-2. Time out. Bakod.
7:48, 19-point lead na tayo. OSC. Forty-nine, 67, 18-point lead by OSC. Idol.
Sling.
It is a challenge to the purple jersey. Ayan. In this fourth period.
Number 24, pass to number 3. Pass to number 25, fires for 3. No good. Out that pass para kay Jefferson. Espinola, good. Grabe yung ito, 100%. Partida, day off yan. Number 3, pass to number 24. Pero may foul number 21. Hacking foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Dami na magdala. Dami na ganyan. Ina mo, gago.
Jefferson. Good. For 2. Grabe yung ito. Nangangamoy best player.
Okay, chief!
Motor. Oo. Gawin kitang best player, bigyan mo ako motor. Hindi, ano su? Coffee free. Number 3, pass to number 0, Kuya Jobber, good for 2. Number 26, pass to High Show Speed, good for 2. Number 0, pass to number 10. Nakuha ni number 0, Kuya Jobber. Number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 3. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound ni Kuya Checo. High show speed. Nawala bola na huwag sa pass to number 3. Pakabilis. Number 3. Pero may foul number 13. Second personal foul. Third team foul. That's number 24. Number 26, pass number 19. Number 19, good for 2. Kakain na with extra rice. Number 0, pass to number 3, pass to number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 3. No good. Rebound ni number 19. Outlet pass para kay Jefferson. Jefferson. Sabayan na to. Sabayan na. Uy. Number 20. Pero may foul. Foul number 19. Jefferson. Kuya Jobber, pass to number 24, pull up Jace, no good. Rebound ni number 13, high show speed. Pass to number 26, outlet pass para kay number 5, Jefferson. Nakuha pa rin ni number 26, pull up Jace, no good. Rebound ni number 3. Number 3, naman pala nakuha ni number 25, pass to number 24. Pass number 25, good for 2. Reserve substitution. Number 5, Jefferson. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 19. Nakuha ni Jefferson. Fires for 3. Pass! 3 points. Grabe magdikit ng Waybill. Reserve substitution. Number 24. Field of shot is so good. Nakuha ni Jego. Out of bounds, save ball.
78.
Substitution, Mr. Rep.
78-53, 25 point lead by OSC. 25 points ang inaabol. 4 and 52 in the final period.
Alam mo na eh. Number 11. Attack the plane. 2, 4, 2.
Huwag ko yung kukain ng bola na yun, nasa kanya.
Kuya Jobber. Wow! Good for 2. Isa ka Totoy. Isa ka Totoy, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5, Jefferson. Nagdikit ng Waybill. Oy, tinula.
Nalagyan na kaya na si Kuya Dats na punta doon.
John Lloyd. Stop. Pass to number 2. Good for 2.
Wala! Hindi nila yung maabutan natin.
Score 57-80.
Hindi, mga nakulay violet.
Nakuha ni number 24.
Mga nakulay violet.
Pass to number 2. Nawala. Good for 2.
80-59, 21 point lead.
Number 26.
Hindi violet, tignan mo. Ayun.
Pass to number 19. No good. Rebound ni number 0, Kuya Jobber.
Ayun, natin ako pag pumasok.
Nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 2. Good for 2.
Mahabol!
61-80, 19 point lead.
Number 11 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5.
Bakit? 80 na yung ano ah. Ayun
to shoot.
80 ito ah.
10 seconds to
Ay,
shoot.
number 5.
Suga pa, puta! Suga pa!
Namasa tuloy. Ikaw kasi. Good for 2.
Oh, 82 na.
Pumasa!
82 na yun ah. Ayun na yung number 19.
Time out. OSC.
Tama yung ano yun. Galing mo, Kuya Dats. Hindi naman may violet. Baka lamang yung
Back to the ball game. Kumakamata ka daga ah.
Alam mo ba yung ano niya? Artist Adventure. Totoo yun? Or
Number
totoo yun?
11, John Lloyd.
Kaya ano yun?
Pass to number 24. Fires for 3. Good for 3 points.
Ano, lamang yung ano,
Sa Totoy.
ano pag sinira?
Pass to number 5.
84.
Espanyola. Ay, Espanyola nga dapat.
Pag nakasunod ko,
Kuya Jobert. Pass to number 28. Good for 2.
Titignan namin yun, Espinola. Basta naman Espinola na aral. Sa kanya, pagkatapos na yun ako din.
Number 21, Jeco. Minsan na makatira, pagbigyan niya na ako. Number 24, good for 2. 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Mousetrap lang katapat niyan, huwag niyo tatluin, mahirap yan. Number 21, Diego. Diego. Kuya Diego. Kuya Diego. Number 0, Kuya Jobert. Good for 2. 1 minute. Pero may foul number. Number 28. Holding foul.
Time's up, time's up, time's up. Team's out.
Shoutout para kay Eric Moral. Line violation. Choke Roman.
Mayami na yan! Si Ryan!
Choke Moral.
70-84.
Number 24. Na wala pa na nakuha ni Iska Katotoy.
Kaya pa.
Number 11 pass to number 0, Boy. Number 0. 40 seconds to play. 15 to shoot.
13-point lead na lang ang
10
nakahabol.
seconds. Jefferson. Wow! Pass to number 0. Good for 2. Wait lang, matatapos na po ang ating oras. 20 seconds to play. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sino best player? Best player! Number 4! Sino ba number 4? 14! Sino ba number 14? Number 14 ng OSC! Si Papi pala. Joke lang! Cool na cool! Kahit Yossi ko hindi mental. Akit na yung daga! Daga ng tao! Alam mo naman eh! Kunyari ba nag-uuma ng jersey? Kapal ng mukha ni daga.
Kuya Zach!
Ito dapat ah. Oh, may video ka oh. Oh.
Uy, Dad, sikat ka na. Mamaya na. Pictorial nga muna eh. Gusto ko makita si Kuya Dad. Pero muna tao ka.
Hoy, pare.
You know.
Akin mo. Diba? Ang tagat. Kaso na